Hi, my name is John D'Ambrosia and I am a Distinguished Engineer with Futurewei, but I am also the chair of the IEEE 802.3 Ethernet for AI assessment. Today I'm attending the OIF workshop on 448 signaling. This is a really important aspect of what's happening for the industry looking at this point in time to the future. As we are nearing the completion of the 200 gig standard, people are now asking, what's next? This workshop is actually the culmination of a bunch of organizations working together throughout the year to keep exploring different parts of the problem for 448 signaling. The optical, the electrical, the system aspects, the performance issues, understanding what exactly the problem is that we're going to need to solve for the future. Now, speaking from my own personal experience, I've led 3 different speed jumps in Ethernet history. This is the first time that I've ever seen the industry coming together and actually working this early in the process. The standard isn't even completed yet for 200 gig, and we're already looking ahead to 400. In the past, it was about a year before we started the next speed. That's how important it is that we start defining these problems now so that when we have to do the work, we understand what exactly it is we need to accomplish.